well-managed mind. Step number 3 and number 4. Please lie down comfortably with your eyes closed and check your whole body. As you're checking it, you can make small movements with your head just to make sure everything's relaxed. Your neck, your shoulders. You can even make small circles. And your upper arms and lower arms. And then you can move them a little bit. And your hands, make circle movements. Your shoulder blades, your shoulders, your torso, your whole spine. You can wiggle to make it loose. And your hips can move them, also wiggle. And your upper legs and lower legs. And your feet, you can move your toes and move your feet a little bit. And right now, I would like you to put 2 hoses on the top of your head. One hose is going to be taking and sucking all your energy out that is negative. Turn it on and suck it all out. Anything negative in your body, in your mind, is being sucked out. It's gone. And the second hose is going to bring all the positive stuff in. So if you want to visualize it, it can be like bringing magic powder or, I don't know, sparkly things, or just good energy, just light maybe, whatever you like. So now we have good energy coming in. And if there is any negative energy, it's coming out. And let's just also make an inhale and exhale, where we're going to inhale some good energy and exhale if there's anything left. And exhale. Now we're ready to take our hand and put it over our collarbone. It can just rest there, across the collarbone, or you can just tap if you feel like it, like with your fingers maybe. Whatever you prefer, it's fine. And we're gonna get rid of everything that is preventing us from sleeping. Everything that is preventing us from sleeping, from falling asleep and staying asleep, because it's not helping us in any way. No way it's helpful for us or healthy, and we want to change it. It's some pattern in our subconscious that can come from stress, or us overthinking, or thinking too much, or worrying all the time, or having a chatting with our conscious mind. When we chat with ourselves, we work ourselves up and we create all these crazy stories, and then subconscious keeps sending them to us all the time, and they make us crazy. They make us, our mind goes so busy and unhappy, and then we create more and more stories for ourselves. So we want to put stop to it, and we want to delete all the negative stories that are preventing us from sleep. So I would like you to grab all of them. If you like to switch a hand on your collarbone, that's fine. And concentrate on deleting everything that is making your mind busy, that is preventing you from sleeping, that is preventing you from staying asleep. All the worries that you have, or anger, fear, or guilt, or stress in your life, anything, we want to delete it, because when we sleep, our subconscious is still working, but our consciousness is not here because we are sleeping. So what we want to do is to basically prepare our subconscious for the good sleep, to get our subconscious as clear as possible, as relaxed as possible before we fall asleep. So delete everything. The way you can delete it, that you can either burn all the files or delete them if you see them as a computer. However visually it comes to you. If you don't have visualization skills and you don't see it, as long as you know you're deleting everything that is preventing you from sleeping and staying asleep, then we are on the right track. You can, as I said, vacuum all the files, or delete them, burn them, put them in a water, flush them away in a drain, and carburate them if you want, whatever you like. It's all good, as long as we know we're deleting it and we're preparing our subconscious mind for a really nice and restful sleep. So take your time to delete in any way you like, and you can pause the audio, and we will continue in a few seconds or minutes whenever you are ready to come back. I would like you to double check one more time that all the files that are negative are gone. They're all gone, whatever reason it is, it doesn't exist. Maybe you just, maybe all the files are in a room and you just vacuumed it out of there, and now you want to paint it white just to make sure that it's all clean, and then there's nothing that the subconscious is worried about for you. Now we're going to go to point number 4. You can again switch hands, put your hand over your heart, and this is where I would like you to visualize yourself in bed, sleeping soundlessly, with or without your earplugs, and your subconscious is relaxed. All the files that are in there, you deleted the ones that keep you up and awake, and you are relaxed. You have no guilt, you have no fear, you have no anger, and your mind is calm. You're relaxed. It's not talking to you, because your subconscious knows that it's time for you to sleep, so it doesn't have to chat with you. You guys are really good friends, and your subconscious has learned that it's not good for you to send you any negative thoughts. So it won't, it's just gonna stay positive through the night and work on its own stuff, and it's gonna relax with you as well. That way your consciousness doesn't have to worry about anything. It's out for the night, and your subconscious is relaxing as well. It has lots of tranquility, and I want you to see yourself in bed smiling, because you are so relaxed, so free. You're happy, and you know you're gonna sleep through the night. And you're falling asleep. You know that if anything wakes you up during the night, a sound, or you have to go to the washroom, or whatever it can be, you can always put your hand over your heart and bring back this picture, this visualization, where you're in bed, smiling and sleeping with your eyes closed. You're not worrying about anything. And maybe there are stars above you, or maybe your bed is on the beach, or in the mountains, or where it is. It's good as well. And you have a very peaceful sleep. And you're not worried about anything. And you know you're gonna wake up in the morning all refreshed. And during the day, your conscious and subconscious will be friends, and there's gonna be no negativity. And during the sleep, your subconscious mind is letting you sleep, and it's relaxing as well and processing things, because it has to stay awake 24/7, and it's happy to do that because that's how you function and that's how you do things, and it's repairing things for you, it's fixing things, and it's healing things for you so you can sleep at night. That's how powerful and strong and friendly your subconscious mind is, and you feel safe, and you feel happy, and you're sleeping like a baby.